We're going to take a look at the snap to nearest option and how that helps when you're creating leaders. So we've discussed a bunch of snaps, endpoints, midpoints, intersections, and so on. When you're placing leaders, however, we typically, as a drafting standard, try to stay away from intersections. So I don't really want my leader to touch that intersection, for example. It could cause confusion, especially if my leader were to be vertical like that. So what I really want is I want my leader to touch on this top surface right here. Let's say I'm working with a casting and I want to machine smooth this top surface. So I want to create a note that says that. Well, I'm going to start my leader command, and the snap that I'm looking for is snap to nearest. So I'm going to hold the shift key and right click my mouse, and I'm going to choose snap to nearest. Now whenever I hold my mouse on an object, I see the little hourglass symbol, and wherever I click it will attach at that particular point. So I can just click somewhere on this surface here, click my second point for my leader, and then I can go ahead and put in the necessary note for the option that I'm dealing with here. You don't want nearest to be a running snap though, because it is just going to get in the way. Now when I start a command, it's going to be everywhere, and sometimes that will just be in the way and mess you up with tracking and so on. So I wouldn't recommend turning it on as a running object snap. I would just use it with the shift right click whenever you need it.